lot of you are wondering what to do with all this leftover starter. Every day you're going to be pouring some out, replenishing it with more flour, more water. And I realize that times like these, we don't want to be wasting food for sure. So I'm going to show you what you can do with this flour. Here is the waste or the leftover of flour that I used for that 5-day experiment. This is my starter. I've got a bunch of ideas here. So I'm going to show you what you do with this leftover starter. Do not throw it away. Let's put it in a jar. Let's say that you can stick it in your fridge or you can leave it on your counter. It's pretty acidic and it's got a great smell to it. So hang on to it for a little bit. Make sure it doesn't turn red or moldy. Let's take a look at what we can do with this. All right, let's get started. All right, we're going to make some scallion pancakes. These things are awesome. All right, it's pretty simple. Cup of flour, some cornstarch, some sugar, garlic powder, salt. Just dump it in the bowl, mix it up. It's pretty simple. Okay, now we're going to add some garlic powder. All right, this is where you're going to add your starter. Again, this is just all the leftovers that you had. Mix it up. You're going to start gradually adding some water. First, you want to add a little bit of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, don't worry about it. Just gives it a nice flavor.
What is wrong with letting people be happy?
All right, I've added enough water to get that pancake batter. You want it to look like pancake batter, a little thicker. And then we're gonna let this rest for a bit. So cover it with a cloth, and then we're just gonna set it aside until it starts to bubble. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that fermentation. All right, now comes the fun part, making a dipping sauce. If you don't have these ingredients on hand, that's fine, but we're gonna use black vinegar. Get this at most Asian shops. It's really good stuff. It's got a nice tangy flavor. Some rice wine vinegar. All right, some sesame oil. Stuff's amazing. Okay, this is homemade chili oil. You can find all kinds of recipes online on how to make it, but I live by this stuff. It's amazing. And instead of using like canola oil, what I like about this is I used avocado oil, so it's a bit better for you than, say, like a rapeseed oil, corn oil, vegetable oil, whatever. This is good stuff. And then let's put some sesame seeds in there, shake a little bit in there.
What is wrong with letting people be happy?